Let's poach fish today with caraway seeds. You will need fish, salt, white pepper, garlic, butter and caraway seeds. Crush a few white peppercorns. Season 200 grams of fish fillets with salt and pepper. You can use cod, collie or any similar white fish fillets. Peel 5 cloves of garlic and slice them. Heat up a pan and add a tablespoon of butter. Add the sliced garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds. Add the fish fillets. Pour in a little bit of boiling water, covering the fish fillets halfway up. Poach the fish for a few minutes. The cooking time will depend on the thickness of the fish. You will probably need 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Turn the fillets over halfway through, and keep pouring a little bit of water over the top of the fish, using a spoon. Serve the fish with the sides of your choice. Pour a little bit of the liquid from the pan over the fish.